morning students. We come on to the revision of this chapter 1 in e-commerce that is coming for exam, that is for a class test. We did with the business environment. And what does the business environment mean? It is a aggregate of all condition, events and influences that surround and affect the business organization. Then features, what features this business environment is dependent. It is the total all factors, forces and institutions that affect business environment. Then general and specific forces include social, economic, legal, interrelated. All the business elements of business environment are interrelated with each other. Complexity, it is a multi-dimensional environment. Dynamic here means that it keeps on changing, that is frequently changes with the government policies, custom, taste and demand. Then uncertain, dynamic in nature, business make is uncertain, become difficult to predict the change in the future accurately. Then relative, it differs from one region to another. Then what was the importance of business environment? It helped in getting the first mover advantage. It gives us early warning signals to identify our threats, then helps to increase our efficiency, then formulates policies, strategies, cope up with the rapid changes that take place in the economy and so on. Then dimensions, we did with the macro. What is macro? It is a sum total of internal and external forces which exert direct influence on the specific individual enterprise. It consists of two sides, that is internal factors of macro environment within which the business firm and thereof consider controllable and measurable, which in which the business firm operate, and it include top management, mission and objective, corporate culture and the function. You can go through this and see to it just given in your book. Then external factors of macro environment are the factors which influence the individual enterprise or individual or group agency which are constantly interacting with the enterprise as a part of external forces of macro environment. They include consumers, competitors, suppliers, middlemen, financial. So this was constituted as the external environment. Then what was macro environment? It is the some subset of general forces which may affect all business enterprise. They are directly, generally, uncontrollable and non-measurable. And enterprise attains success only if it adapt according to the changes of the macro environment. It is the sum total of all the environment which is affecting the business that we did. And what were the constituents of it? It is what consisted of the economic environment, factors which influence business in the country, then social environment, that is the society in which we live in, it also has an influence on your business. Then the political environment, that is the policies which the government makes in a particular country, that was there. Then legal environment, what are the various laws that are prevalent in a country, that comprises the legal environment. And the technological development that we have in a country also affect our business environment. Then we had this important part also of this first chapter was SWOT analysis, and the full form was strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threat. Strength are the internal competencies that a business organization have. Everybody have its own strengths, everybody know it very well. Weaknesses are the limitations which every enterprises have, and opportunities refers to the positive external trend or changes which put the firm in favorable position. And threats are the external environment that many times create obstacle in functioning of the enterprise. It may be due to economic slowdown, just like now we are having a lockdown situation, political instability and natural calamity, just like we are having this pandemic. So this was the revision of the first chapter. Thank you, students.